Hi, my name is Tad Halcomb, and today I'll be demonstrating how to properly use the Amerex Z series high-performance portable extinguisher. This specific unit is our fast flow model 794. Caution, since hand portable extinguishers differ, please review the extinguisher nameplate for specific procedures and starting distances. Note, whenever possible, protective equipment clothing should be used while fighting fire. First, hold the extinguisher upright and pull the pin, breaking the tamper seal. Stand back from the fire the minimum distance stated on the nameplate. Remove the extinguisher nozzle and aim at the base of the fire nearest to you. Keeping the extinguisher upright, squeeze the handle together and discharge the extinguisher. As the unit is discharged, sweep the nozzle from side to side. A simple way to remember these steps is the acronym P.A.S.S. P.A.S.S stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Move closer as the fire is extinguished, but not so close as to scatter the burning material or liquid. Once the fire is out, back away watching for possible reignition. Evacuate and ventilate the area immediately after using the extinguisher. The fumes and smoke from any fire may be hazardous and can be deadly. Thanks for watching our video on how to use the Amerex Z series high-performance fast flow portable extinguisher. You can find more information regarding this extinguisher as well as others at amerex-fire.com/products.